Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace a SIM card on your Apple iPhone S Max. The X Max phone has on the left side two buttons, on the right side one button, and under the one button side, the right side, there it is. There is a SIM card tray. It is under a surface, and on the bottom side of the surface there is a hole. In this hole we are going to get a SIM card needle inside. Then push until the SIM tray is coming out a little bit. Push a little bit, push. The mechanic has come out a little bit. Now you are able to pull out the tray itself. There it is. And let's go to the SIM card. The SIM card is a nano SIM, and one side there is an extra edge, and this extra edge will fix to your SIM card, to your nano SIM card. The other side does not match. So now we are going to insert the SIM card at the same place at the extra edge is. And now the SIM card is ready to assemble. Now take the SIM card tray plus a SIM card in position and push it back into the phone. Nice and easy. Then the SIM card will be connected to this phone. You have to unlock it and job's done. So easy it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and see you next time again on my channel. Thanks. Soon. Good job. SIM card changing. Awesome. Apple iPhone X Max.